Welcome to Tool Spec. So let's talk about the Olsatools flat pick set. There's always time as a mechanic where you're gonna encounter O-rings that you have to remove or boots of different sizes. Lots of people will either use a flat screwdriver. Now the trouble with flat screwdriver is the corner edge sometimes can end up ripping your O-ring or damaging your boot. Now the other thing that you'll be encountering is those picks here. They're nice and small, they can get into the surface area to really pick your seal out of there, but also they're pointy, so you can also damage your seal or your boots with this. The 3 pick set from Olsatools are actually rounded. So they're rounded so that like that you don't damage your seal. So you have the first one that is a 60-degree angle, you have an 85-degree angle, and a 125-degree angle. So now with this pick set, they're still small enough at the edge here so that you can go in between your surface and your O-ring or your boot, no problem, and remove it without causing any damage. The spec set is getting released around November 20th, 2024 on olsatools.ca and olsatools.com. It's ready to pre-order if you guys want to go and put it in your cart right now. Yeah, those are getting into my toolbox.